Welcome to Learner's Guide. Essay on Republic Day. Introduction. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year in India with great pride and enthusiasm. It marks the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, making India a sovereign, democratic, and republic nation. This day holds immense significance as it symbolizes the establishment of the rule of law and equality in the country. Historical background. After gaining independence on 15th August 1947, India needed a comprehensive framework to govern its people and uphold their rights. The Constitution of India, drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and the Constituent Assembly, was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into force on 26 January 1950. This date was chosen to honor the Purna Swaraj Declaration of 1930. Celebrations. Republic Day is celebrated with grandeur across the nation. The main event takes place at Rajpath in New Delhi, where the President of India hoists the national flag and presides over a magnificent parade. The parade showcases India's cultural diversity, military strength, and technological achievements. Various states present vibrant tableau reflecting their traditions and achievements. Brave children, soldiers, and citizens are also honored with awards for their contributions to the nation. Significance. Republic Day reminds every citizen of their duties and rights. It is a day to reflect on the values of democracy, liberty, and justice enshrined in the Constitution. It also serves as a tribute to the countless freedom fighters and leaders who laid the foundation of modern India. Conclusion. Republic Day is more than just a celebration. It is a reminder of the responsibilities we carry as citizens. Let us honor the sacrifices of our past and work collectively to build a stronger, more united, and prosperous nation. On this day, let us pledge to uphold the principles of our Constitution and contribute to the progress of our beloved India. Jai Hind!